These are the three things which I learned when I was designing an AI feature for a SaaS product. Start small and ship faster. Now, what that means? That means you don't have to create a whole roadmap. You can start as simple as reordering the column with the help of the AI, for example. Instead of asking the user each time to rearrange the column before exporting to CSV, AI can suggest a set of options to the user. Humans stay in the control always. Never write directly to the server. Always show the result to the user first. So they are the person who will decide whether they want the AI suggestion or not. Apart from that, we will make the human as the decision maker. So we are giving the two button, use AI order or they want to keep the current order while doing the export. In AI system, your happy path is a rare case. Yeah, after doing everything, it do happen that the column which you see right now may not even generate or may not even in an order that has to be. It do happen. That is where you need to start collecting the metrics like adoption rate, the number of the time the user has used this option, use AI as an order. And after using this option, how many times the accuracy is all about. So is it's going to fail somewhere? And if it fails, then we come to know that, okay, out of 100 times, 5 times it is failing. So we can say that 95% it's accurate to make it happen. Hope you have enjoyed the video.